customer. We thank you for choosing Scotch-Brite products as your helping hand in household cleaning. We now invite you to discover effective floor cleaning the effortless way. Wish to keep your hands clean while keeping the floors clean? Well, we can lend you a helping hand. Presenting the Scotch-Brite Butterfly Mop. Its unique butterfly squeezing mechanism lets you say goodbye to messy hands while cleaning floors. What's more, the butterfly mop's squeezing mechanism lets you squeeze water in a controlled manner. This lets you adjust the water content in the sponge to suit your floor cleaning needs, thereby helping you clean rooms much faster. And yes, the squeezing mechanism also allows the mop head to fit into a bucket of any size. And here's another reason why you love the butterfly mop. Its height adjustable handle lets you reach and clean any mess on the floor without experiencing any discomfort or back pain. Yet another unique aspect of your Scotch-Brite Butterfly Mop is its high-density PVA sponge. It absorbs more water than ordinary mops and effectively picks up dust and grime. What's more, you can also lock the handle to scrub tough stains. And here's more good news. Taking care of your mop is extremely easy. Just dip the mop in clean water, remove dirt from the sponge, squeeze out the water, wipe the handle and leave it to dry. And when it's time to change the refill, replacement is simple too. Just slide the refill into the grooves found at the base. And there you have it. Your mop is as good as new. So want shiny spotless floors with minimal effort? Give yourself a helping hand.